Let's get Golang installed and also set up our code environment. You can see the websites here, go.dev for installing Golang, and then to install VS Code, this is the URL here. So let's start with installing Go first. And depending on your operating system, you would install one of these packages here and just follow the instructions from that. And I'm using VS Code, which is here, and you would just install this. Once you open VS Code, you'll be taken to this screen. From here, you can open up a new folder and start working from there. And what we're going to do first is go over to extensions and install the Go extension. These are already installed in my environment, so you'll have to search for, let's say, Golang here and install the one that's Go Team at Google. This extension will set up your environment so you can, command click on different variables. You can look into packages. Just makes developing in Go so much easier. And that's it for setting up the environment.